Good morning, everyone. So, um, we have completed our first chapter, and today we are going to the next chapter, chapter number 2, addition. Okay, so I have already informed that you have a TP today at 6:30 p.m. Okay, so everyone study well. Okay, now we are going to the second chapter name is addition. So you have already discussed in your previous year addition about 3-digit number, isn't it? Okay, so let me do some examples for that. Okay, first okay, here a 3-digit number 742 and also a 3-digit number 342. So first for adding two numbers we write the two numbers in column wise, isn't it? Write the numbers in column wise and then we add the numbers. How will you add the number? We add the numbers. First we add the numbers in the ones place, isn't it? Yes, we add the numbers digits in the ones place and then we add the digits in the tens place and then what we will do, we will add the digits in the hundreds place, isn't it? Come on, let's add these numbers. 2 plus 2, isn't it? In ones place we have the digits 2 and 2. 2 plus 2, answer is 4. 2 plus 2, answer is 4. And then here in tens place the digits are 4 plus 4. What will be the answer? The answer is 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, now the digits in hundreds place. The digits in hundreds place 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3. What is the answer? 7 plus 3 is 10. So we got an answer 1084. It is a 4-digit number, isn't it? So we have discussed this about in our previous year. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about the addition of 4-digit numbers. So we follow the same rules. First we add the ones digits and add the tens digit and then hundreds, and then for 4-digit number we have thousand place, isn't it? So we add ones digits first and then tens digits and then hundreds. After that what we will do, we will add the thousands digits. Okay, so let's do some examples. Okay, adding of 4-digit numbers without carry. So in this chapter we are going to add the 4-digit numbers. So first we are going to add 4-digit numbers without carry. So here we have an example 1263 and 2215. Okay, we have to add these two numbers. First we write the given numbers in column wise. Okay, so first these two numbers have 4 digits, that is it has ones place, tens place, hundreds place and then thousands place. So first I am going to write 1263 and 2250. Here ones place, tens place, hundreds place and then what, thousands place, isn't it? So the digits are in ones place and digits in tens place and digits in hundreds and also digits in thousands place. So what we will do, we will add the given digits. In each places. So it's very simple. 3 plus 3 plus 5. The answer, what is the answer? 3 plus 5. The answer is 8. Answer is 8, isn't it? 3 plus 5. And then what? 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. Answer is 7. Okay, and then moving to the next place, hundreds place. 2 plus 2. Answer 4. And then what is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2 is 3, isn't it? So our answer is 3004. 3478. 3478. This is an example for adding two 4-digit numbers. Okay. Now let's do another example. Add 2084 and 1530. Okay, so we have to add the two given numbers, 2084 and 1530. 1513. 13. Okay, so first we write the given numbers in column wise. Okay, so 2084 and 1513. Okay, so ones place, tens place, hundreds and what? Thousands. So first we add the ones place, digits in ones place. Come on, let's add 4 plus 3. What is the answer? 4 plus 3. Answer is 7. And then come to the next place. 8 plus 1. So what is the answer? It's simple. Answer is 9. And then 5 plus 0. Answer 5. 5 plus 0. Answer 0. Sorry, 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. And then what? 2 plus 1. Answer is 3. So this is very simple for adding 4-digit numbers without carry. Just add the given digits in the places. Okay, so we got the answer 3597. Okay, students. So there is an exercise in your textbook, page number 91. There is an exercise in your textbook, page number 91. We have to add 4 questions. No, 4, not 4. It's about 12 questions. 12. Okay. So exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. So first question is 8346 and 1352. Okay, here we are adding the 4-digit numbers, without any carry. Okay, let's add 6 plus 2. Answer 6 plus 2. Answer 8. Okay, and then 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. So let's add 4 and 5. The answer is 9. Isn't it? Okay, then coming to the next place. And in 100th place, the digits are 3 plus 3. So answer is 6. And then again, in thousands place, the digits are 8 and 1. So 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. Answer is 9. So our first question, answer 9698. Okay. So moving to the next question. 5361, 2034. So we have to add this number. So at the first we have to add the ones place. So 1 plus 4. Answer 5. And then again 6 plus 3. Answer 9. And then 3 plus 0. What is the answer? 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. And then last digit 5 plus 2. In thousands place, 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. So answer is 7395. Okay. So next problem. 1783 plus 5106. Come on, let's add 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6. Add the number. 3 plus 6, what is the answer? 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. And then 8 plus 0. What is the answer? 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. And then 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. It's also 8. And again 1 plus 5. The answer is 6. Okay. So that's it. So here 9 more exercises in your textbook you have to do in your text itself. Okay, the second exercise, arrange in columns and add. So first exercise there is in the textbook, you have to do it in your textbook, and then second question is arrange in columns and add. Okay, I am going to do the first two problems, and then after that you have to do the other problems in problems as homework. Okay, so first problem is 7,000. First problem 7,000. Okay, arrange. The question is arrange in columns and add. Arrange in columns and add. The first question is 7,890, 1,180. So first we have to arrange these numbers in column wise. That is vertically. We have to arrange the numbers vertically. So it is very simple. So first write the first number 7,890, and then check the next number. It also a 4-digit number. Okay, so in ones place the number is 9. Here the ones place the number is 0. So we have to write the digits in the corresponding places. Okay, so 9 is in this number, 9 is in one space. In this number 0 is in one space. So you have to write the digits in the correct places. So then x 8, and then 1, and then again 1, isn't it? So this is the arrangement. This is the arrangement. First we have to arrange the given numbers in column wise. That is vertically we have to arrange. We have to look very carefully and arrange the digits in correct places. That is you have to check the place values. You have to check the places. See, in ones place, and in tens place, and in hundreds place, and then in thousands place. Okay, and then we have to add the given numbers. 9 plus 0, answer is 9. And then 1 plus 8, answer is 9. And then again 8 plus 1, answer is 9. Okay, we have to add the each place digits. Okay, ones digit, tens digit, hundreds, and then again, and then next 1000. 7 plus 1, answer is 8. So this is the answer for the first question. And the next question is 4,381. 4,381 and 2,110. So first have to arrange the numbers in column wise. So 4,381 and 2,110. Okay, so now let's add the each digits in places. So we have to add the first ones place. Okay, digits in ones place. 1 plus 0, answer is 1. And then add the digits in tens place. That is 8 plus 1, 9. And then again 3 plus 1 is 4. And then next 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is the answer. Okay, students. So this is the first portion, that is addition of 4-digit numbers without carry. Addition of 4-digit numbers without carry. And there is some questions you have to do as homework. So in exercise 2.1, first three problems are completed, and then there is 9 more problems that you have to do textbook. You have to do in textbook. And then second question, arrange in columns and add. First two problems are completed, and then there is 4 plus then 6 problems are there. that also you have to do in your notebook. Okay, and then send it to me. Okay, that's it. Thank you.